Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to change your default USB configuration to file transfer permanently. Android defaults to a restrictive charge-only state every time you attach a cable, but forcing a permanent data rule routes your storage library to your computer desktop instantly without manual approval. First, open the Settings apps. Disclaimer, you need to enable developer options to follow this instructions. Tap the search bar or icon. Type Developer Options and open it. Once inside, scroll down through the categories to the Networking block. Locate and click on the specific selection row labeled Default USB Configuration. Tap the selection bubble next to File Transfer or Transferring File. Exit the Settings dashboard panel, disconnect your hardware cable line, and re-plug it to verify it. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.